Hey everyone, let's start the today's problem is in an array. So the question is we have to count hills and valleys given in the array. You can see it. You are given an integer zero index array nums and index I is part of hill. The numbers if closest non-equal to neighbors of I are smaller than nums I. Like if I is not equal to nums I, then it will be hill. And the second statement is similarly index part of the valley if the closest non-equal neighbor is larger. If larger, then it will valley like you can assume here this is the valley and this is the hill. So what we have to calculate, we have to calculate the hills and valleys in an array. Okay, so let's discuss about it. This is problem statement that is given. So answer is given 3. Okay, so answer is given is 3. Okay, so first we go to 2. Let's assume 2 is here. Then we will go to 4 is here. Then assume we go to 1 is here. And then assume 6 is here. Then we come to the 5 and it will be the end of the valley. So this is the 2, this is the 4, and this is the 1, this is the 1, this is the 6, and this is the 5. If the problem statement given is we have to write if statement like okay, so if assume that if is greater than then it will be the hill and will be the valley. Okay, so the first statement will be let's assume it I and assume it as j. I will start from the j and I will calculate if it is less than it is greater than the left value then and greater than the right value, then it will be the hill. Okay, and if it is lesser than the right value, lesser than the left value, then it will be the value. Okay, so first statement first statement is let's write code. You will understand better in the code. So let's it will start from the 0, and second one will be the j. It will start from the 1. We will run the while loop. That condition, the if condition we discuss about that if the nums I is lesser than nums j. Okay, nums I is greater than the nums j plus 1, the next value of the j. Okay, and or nums we check the hill and now we will checking the valley condition. Let's copy and paste it. Just we have to change the lesser than. So what we have to do, like let's try run this statement. So if it will be I will be 2, j will be 4, and j plus 1 will be 1. Okay, so we will take and count variable. So that will start from the 0. we have to return the count only, because we have to return count, hill and value both. Okay. So when the condition will be when the condition if will be true, then we will count plus plus. Okay, then we will get I equal to j. Why? Because we have to see if we have to do I plus plus or j plus plus. But in this condition we will do I equal to j. The reason is because when the two similar integer will become, then it will be elements of same value. Okay. Okay. So now we will doing I count plus plus and I equal to j. Why we will doing I equal to j? Because when it will be the same hill, then it will be skip one value that is the same, like okay, I'm try running. Let's assume this is given the array. Okay, I equal to 2, j equal to 4, j plus 1 equal to 1. Okay, so the count will be 1 because the condition is 2, so count will be 1. Okay, so now the I become the j, so I will become here, and we will do j plus plus, j will come here, and this condition will become here. So now what is this? 4 1 1. The condition will be fail because we take the condition if it is equal if it is greater than or lesser than, it is equal to, so it will be skip. So now what will be the j and I? So now j will be now I equal to j हो जाएगा. Okay, so I equal to this j and j plus 1 equal to this. Count is the 1. Okay, if the condition is skipped, then I will be here and j will be here. Then the condition will be checked for 4 1 6. The condition will be true, so we will plus the count as 1. Okay, so now I will become the j, so I will come here, j will be 6 and j plus 1 will be 5. Then will be true and count plus 1 then count plus 1. Okay, so we have to run the while condition until j plus 1. Okay, so condition will be j plus 1 is lesser than the total nums value, total nums length. Okay, now run the condition. Hopefully it will be, oh, we didn't do the j plus plus. Okay, yeah, this is the answer. Thank you for watching. Now we will doing submit. Yeah, it is submit. Thank you.